how sometimes you're watching your favorite TV show, movie, series, or even YouTube video and you see text appear at the bottom of the screen? This text is usually a translation or even actual dialogue of what is being said in the video. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys how you can begin working as somebody who creates this text and syncs it with the actual videos. If you would like to know more on how you can begin working as a captioner online and make money in 2022, do stay tuned and let's get right into today's video. So in today's video, we will be discussing what is captioning, where you can begin working as a captioner, as well as what is required for you to start working as a captioner online today. So captions are basically a text version of the spoken parts of a television show or what is being said in a certain video. Your job as a captioner is basically to type what is being said in the video. It can be sounds and music cues, just to offer the viewer understanding of what is actually happening in the video. With the increase in popularity of video content, we have seen a demand in captioner roles as well as captioner jobs. There are companies that hire freelance subtitlers to provide high quality, accurate captions for their video content. Subtitles are a translation of what is being said in the video, which usually appear in a different language than the dialogue in the video, whilst captions are the actual dialogue. They are a transcript of what is being said in the video. What skills and equipment are required to begin work as a captioner? To qualify for all the jobs that I will be sharing with you guys today, no special skills or prior qualifications are required. You only need to have good English skills as well as good listening. For most of these roles, you will need to take a short grammar quiz as well as produce a sample caption test. You need to have a desktop or laptop computer, good earphones, as well as reliable internet connection. You will receive guidelines from each of the companies that I will be sharing with you guys today, so you will have knowledge on how to complete the test. As a freelance captioner rep, you'll be using a web-based captioning editor to capture all audio that is in the video file. That is English speech, music cues, sound effects, etc. You will be provided with guidelines on how to complete the grammar test, on how to complete the captioning sample test, and you will also be required to take a short grammar quiz. South Africa is the only African country where Rev accepts applicants for the captioning role. They do, however, have a subtitling role, and if you know any of the languages that they offer, you are welcome to apply. HappyScribe offers a subtitling position. Their subtitles are produced by an AI. So as a subtitler, you will be required to proofread the machine-generated subtitles, improve the subtitle breaks for optimal readability, and synchronize the subtitles with the audio in the video. HappyScribe does not separate their transcription and subtitling work, so you are free to choose any of the files once you are accepted to work at HappyScribe. So once you apply as a subtitler or a transcriber, you can do both roles if you are accepted at HappyScribe. To qualify as a subtitler at HappyScribe, you will be required to create an account with HappyScribe and select a language which you will be transcribing. You will take an assessment test and a sample subtitling file. You will be paid per minute of audio subtitled, and the pay rate varies according to the language in which you are transcribing. Your pay will be in your local currency, and you can apply if your country accepts payments via Wise. I will link down below the countries that are listed or the list of the countries that are accepted by Wise. At the time of shooting this video, these following countries are the only countries in Africa where Wise makes payments: Egypt, Ghana, Kenya, South Africa, Uganda, and Zambia. So if you are in those listed countries, you are free to make an application to start work as a subtitler or a transcriber with HappyScribe. Captioning Star. Captioning Star is a New York-based firm that offers a variety of captioning services. Their website doesn't provide any information on the requirements for captioners or any payment information. However, they do seem to be accepting applicants for real-time captioning role. When you click on the Apply Now button, you are required to enter your personal information and upload your CV or resume to apply. CaptionMax. CaptionMax is a company that provides a wide range of captioning, localization, description, and transcription services. CaptionMax is another website that doesn't state any payment information or any requirements for their subtitling role. If you hover your mouse on the About section and click on Careers and scroll to the Independent Contractor section, read the section and you can fill in the details as well as attach your CV to apply as a captioner today. DotSub. DotSub offers captioning and subtitling services for Amazon Prime Video Direct. According to their website, they caption hundreds of hours of content each week, adhering to the Amazon Prime Video Direct strict formatting, accessibility, and time code criteria. To join their team, you can scroll down to the bottom of their page and click Join Our Team. DotSub has no published rates on their website. However, they do say that they will send you an email with all of the information once you have begun communication. You will be required to complete a short test to prove your skills and join their team. Previous experience in time coding will not be required because you can easily learn by using the guidelines that they give you. Payments at DotSub are processed every 30 days and you will receive it in the first week via a platform called Tapalte. If you would like to join DotSub, I would suggest that you check if Tapalte makes payments to your country of residence, and if it does, then you are more than welcome to make an application to begin work at DotSub. Today's bonus website is Multilingual Connection. If you're looking for subtitling, transcription, or translation jobs, this website has a directory which we will go into in another video. For the sake of preserving time, this is a great website to find remote freelance subtitling jobs. If you have made it this far, thank you so much for watching this video. Please do make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share with anyone who needs online work. I will see you in the next one. Bye.